Hey CC fam, if you've been opening up our newsletter for the previous months, you'll know that we're giving away one CC process tip per month. But because it's our newsletter's first anniversary, we're giving away not one, not two, but 4 tips on how to make your videos look better. So I've asked my fellow designers to share some practical tips to you. Check them out.
The most successful videos are made even before you hit record. So it starts with a plan, knowing where you'll be shooting, the research that goes behind your video, having at least a loose script of what you'll be talking about and what you want your audience to see, sharing that loose script with us, and being clear with your objectives.
Check your framing. Make sure you're not too close to the camera so your face will be within the frame. Preferably, from your chest up to your head should be seen in the camera.
For better videos, utilize natural light like indirect sunlight or overcast conditions which provide soft flattering illumination. Avoid shooting in harsh direct sunlight as it can cast unflattering shadows. Consider using the reflectors or diffusers to further enhance the lighting if needed.
This is not a live show. You can literally make pauses in your video so you can focus on the delivery, take your time, sip some coffee, or repeat any delivery error along the way. Feel free to pause and say it all over again, and we will edit it out.